bones hurt? Are you a cinematographer? Does your back hurt? Then you probably need a better shoulder rig. Any great cinematographer knows that the difference between a good handheld shot and a bad handheld shot is a great shoulder rig setup. And in that regard, Bright Tangerine has got you covered. Bright Tangerine's KASBAH Ātman Universal Shoulder Rig is the versatile tool that cinematographers' overworked muscles have all been waiting for. But aren't shoulder rigs a little overkill? No. Shoulder rigs in cinematography offer a balance of stability and mobility, providing a more stable shot than handheld while maintaining a degree of natural, organic movement. They allow for quick setup and movement, facilitating high and low angles, and are particularly useful for narrative storytelling and situations requiring quick subject tracking. Shoulder rigs provide abundant shooting flexibility without much adjustment. For example, there's no need to recalibrate or rebalance anything in between shots, which make it an ideal setup for documentary filmmakers to accomplish satisfactory shots in more run-and-gun shooting situations. Shoulder rigs are also great for achieving the more complicated and quirky whip pan type shots we all love. Cinematographers are in fact human and need to consider their muscle longevity when committing to any shoot. And a shoulder rig distributes the weight of your inevitably heavy camera setup more evenly on the operator's shoulders, allowing for longer overall shooting time and, in the long run, less back pain. Bright Tangerine's shoulder rig setup was intricately designed to best accommodate the human shoulder anatomy. They even went so far as to create a lightweight shoulder pad material worthy of its own episode of How It's Made. Instead of your average flimsy foam material, they have implemented a high-performance, durable polymeric material in these shoulder pads and hand grips. The shoulder pad itself is uniquely adjustable not only in forward and backward axis, but also in a left to right axis. Its modular design comprises the parts you need to get your camera into the thick of the action with a wide range of mounting options, including RE standard rosettes. If ever there were a camera rig system to be recommended by chiropractors, I'd say it would likely be Bright Tangerine's KASBAH Ātman Universal Shoulder Rig Mounting System. So cinematographers, do your bones a favor and go check out what Bright Tangerine has to offer.